Hey everyone, welcome to Selenium review series. Let's see our first question. What is the difference between a single slash and double slash in XPath? So the single slash is called an absolute XPath. It tells Selenium to start from the root node. Root node is the very beginning of the HTML document. It follows the exact path step by step to reach the element. Single slash selects the node directly under the current node, which means it selects immediate child. In another words, it says go one level down only. For example, you can see single forward slash HTML slash body slash div slash form slash input. This means start from the root node, which is HTML. Then go to body tag, then div tag, then form tag. Finally, reach the input tag. So it's like giving the full address to a house, street, block, floor, door number, everything must match perfectly. There are some points you should remember while using Absolute Expert. Absolute Expert is very strict. Even a small change in the HTML structure will break this expert. It's slower compared to Relative Expert, which uses double slash, especially in large web pages. It's not flexible or recommended for automation because the DOM structure changes frequently. You must start from the root node. Here it is HTML and using single slash. For example, imagine you are describing your friend's house using every single term from your house. You're saying go straight, take first left, then second right, cross the bakery, and blue house is hers. If even one turn changes, you're lost. That's exactly so the double slashes used to create a relative XPath. It means start searching from anywhere in the document, not necessarily from the root. It is flexible, shorter, and more powerful for automation testing. Double slash selects nodes anywhere under current node. It selects all children, not just direct descendant. Example, div. So this double slash div will select all the div element in the document, no matter how deep they are inside the HTML. I'll give you one example using expert double slash input. This is a tag name ID equal to username. This XPath will locate the input tag element with ID equal to username anywhere in the page. If there is more than one locator with the ID username, it will select all the elements with a username ID. So why do we prefer double slash or relative XPath in Selenium? Relative XPath is not depend on full XPath. If developer changes any tags in the future, it won't break your XPath easily. It is very flexible. You can search from any level in the HTML. This experts are shorter and easier to read than absolute expert, which makes it perfect for automation scripts. This is useful with the expert made with the conditions like attribute equal to value or functions like contains. Some experts have value attributes and contains. In those cases, it is useful. So I'll give you one real life example. Imagine you're looking for a Starbucks. Instead of searching for Starbucks, which is more far from your home in a specific location, you just ask your engine to find any Starbucks near me. So the what the search engine will do? The search engine will fetch all the Starbucks near you, disregarding its location. Let's create a example program of a login page to see how single slash and double slash works. So with this example program, you can easily understand the difference between single slash and double slash. That we are going to use this URL. I have already created a simple archetype Maven project with a Selenium Java dependency in Eclipse. Let's go to Eclipse. I have already created this class example login. It's add main method. Create a driver variable driver equal to new Chrome driver since we are going to use the Chrome browser. Driver dot get. We are going to use this URL. We are passing the drive URL, I mean this web URL inside driver dot get method. Let's go to this website. Let's inspect this username field. Right click, inspect. Here, what we are going to do is we are going to use relative expert. So, double slash tag name at id equal to username. One element is matching. Let's copy this. Go to Eclipse. This driver dot find element by dot id XPath. Since we are going to use XPath, double quotes. So this XPath will highlight the input element no matter where it is in the page because double slash means search anywhere on the page. Now let's locate password field. Now let's inspect password field. It's very difficult to find absolute XPath manually. So we are going to use the selector hub extension. I'm going to inspect this password field using selector sub. Scroll down, you will get your absolute expert. Here you can see absolute expert. Copy it, go to Eclipse, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Within double quotes, pass the absolute XPath. Here in XPath, you can see in absolute XPath, you can see it starts with the HTML, which is the root node. Then it goes to the body tag, then again div tag, again div tag, form tag, again div tag, div. Finally, it reaches the input tag. This is too lengthy and it is very difficult to use. So maybe the tags will change in the future. This XPath works only if the hierarchy is exactly like this. After body, there is so many div tags. But in future, developer decides to change any one of the div tags for some reason, this XPath will break. That's why we usually prefer double slash. It's more dynamic. Dot in case it's the password. Copy the password. Next, we are going to locate the login button. That also I'm going to use selector hub. I'm going to use the selected XPath. Private dot find element by XPath. Dot click. We are going to perform click action. So click. We have passed username, password, and here we are going to perform click action in the login button. Let's run the code and check. See, we are able to successfully log into the home page. So remember guys, a single slash is like a giving a full address, while double slash is like saying find it anywhere. I hope this explanation helped you understand when to use each, why it matters in real Selenium automation projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye.